So yesterday I was sitting around with nothing to do, thinking about a video maybe about slowing down and speeding up a record for beginners. And I thought, nah, I don't need to do that video. And then today I saw this meme on the MD DJ's Menudo Meetup Facebook page. Those are a great group of guys out in California. I know a lot of those dudes. They're cool dudes. On exactly that. Different techniques to use. I thought, yeah, let's go ahead and do this. The meme was made by Vinyl VIPs. I'm not familiar with who they are, but shout out to you for making the meme. So, yeah, why not? Let's do that video. Alright, so let's put the needle on the record. Okay, we obviously know that we can use the pitch control to do this, right? Slow it down and speed it up. But here are a couple methods to fine-tune your mix. Let's say you got the BPM where you want it, but you need to slow it down or speed it up a little bit. What are some of the ways you can do this without touching this pitch? Well, one is to grab the side platter. Just run your finger alongside of it, slow it down just a little bit. Of course, if you want to get an entire beat, just grabbing the record. Another way to slow it down a little bit is to grab this guy right here and hang on to it. Hear it slip down on my fingers? It's actually slowing it down quite a bit. If you look at the strobe, you can see that it's slowing it down. Bring it out, squeeze harder. Now some guys will grab these things and twist them to speed them up. I never did that myself. But one way you can do this as well is with this little center label, as the meme shows. You can drag your finger alongside of it like this to slow it down. Put as much or as little pressure on there as you need. One thing I like to do when I'm doing like a jet or something like that is this technique, where I actually speed up a little bit just by doing this. Just ever so slightly. Same thing with going backwards. Just ever so slightly. And the amount of pressure you put on here with your finger determines on how much or how little you speed it up or slow it down. Now, I've used all of these techniques in one combination or another. How about you experienced DJs? Which techniques do you use? Like the meme asks. Let us know in the comments section. And for those of you who are new, did you find this video helpful at all? I don't know. Just thought I'd do it for you. But I want to thank you for watching, your likes, your subscriptions, your comments, and all that kind of stuff. And I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.